Hi guys, we have this Harpic White and Shine toilet cleaner. So in this video, I'm going to show you its review and demo. This is a 500 ml bottle, has MRP of Rs 105. It is a 2-in-1 product as it has bleach in it. We will see its effect. To open, press sides of the cap, turn counterclockwise. And it's a transparent liquid. I guess it's visible on camera. Due to its transparency, it's difficult to find out how much has fallen out from the bottle. And we can use this on all sort of ceramic tiles, wash basin, toilet seat. Apply the liquid and leave it for 20 minutes. Then lightly brush and wash it off. It does exactly what it promised, but be careful on what surface you use it since it contains bleach. And the bleach action is extremely good, but the pungent odor lasts very long. Here I noticed few points that consistency is too fluid. Every time you try to pour a little quantity, too much of it fall over. And it's soapy, create a foam like detergent, so you have to wash it off. And the last is the harsh smell, which is good in a way that it washed out all the bad odor from the washroom. Overall the product is very good. Love how effortless it makes the cleaning process. Regular use keep the washroom sparkling clean, remove the stains easily. An excellent product, give it a try and subscribe for more videos.